Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge Blade Works. Tonight I was thinking about something and I wanted to share that with you guys. A lot of people spend a lot of money on gear, and I got this was gifted to me from a friend of mine, but I know this knife was about $4. And what I wanted to get at is you don't have to go and spend a bunch of money on gear to get like a good quality knife that you can use out in the woods. And I say good quality meaning for the price. This is 440 stainless. 440 stainless steel, and this is from Cutlery Corner, and this is just a cheaper model knife, and this is kind of like a Dave Canterbury copy, is like kind of a blind horse knife copy without the you know, their knives don't have none of this stuff on here, the paw or the bear or whatever. But I have this thing sharpened up pretty good where I've used it out in the woods. I actually have two of these, so the one that I used is all beat up now, but you know, these come with a dark wood handle. I'm not sure what the wood is, and it's got some nice pins, and they're pretty durable, and they have a really crappy sheath. But as far as the knife itself, I mean, if you're out in the woods and that's all you have, it's a knife, you know. You can still use that like a tool, because a knife is a tool. And you know, if you don't have a knife, you're pretty much out of luck unless you can find a rock to flint knap into a knife or a blade or whatever. But all I was getting at is, you know, you don't have to spend $1 million. You can go out in the woods and have fun with a little knife like this and have just as much fun. And I'm out here tonight having a blast, getting eaten up by bugs. I'm with Lily, my dog, and she's having a good time. And the wind's blowing, and it's just, the sound out here is just beautiful. And that's what it's about, being out in the woods and having a good time, being with your best friend, which is my dog. And as far as I'm concerned, this is heaven out here. Out here relaxing with a $4 knife. Anyways, you guys have a good night. Thank you.